almost fell. So mind you, this just came today. I've been waiting for like almost 2 weeks on this. I really, because it feel like it's up to here, and I feel like I got played. It was like, I don't remember the price, but I'm just gonna put it right there. My room is always cold, so it's in the right temperature. Like, I feel like it's right here. I feel like I really got cheated on my money, and they lucky. You know what? I would actually use the scale when I go to. Anywho, it don't even matter at this point. If I got cheated, best believe I'm gonna get reimbursed for my money. But as y'all can see, I put my ball cap on here, the one with the makeup. I think I'm gonna do more than one ball cap because I don't want that much makeup on my locks. So, as I stated previously, you do not need to buy the wig caps because they're gonna come with the wig. So yeah, and I have like 10 more wig caps in my room. So if one comes out, you know, raunchy, I can always just get another one. Girl, do you really need to do 2 wig caps? Like, be for real. Be for real with yourself. Be for real. I really think I do, but at the same time, I'm gonna wash my hair, and makeup has never harmed my head. Yeah, this is right now. My locks are thick, so it's a little iffy when it comes to that. Oh, come off, please. All right, so I'm gonna put this wig cap on. I have good intentions. It's on the right side. Yes, it is. Okay. Let me show y'all the wig though. It's a 20-inch wig. I'm gonna insert the picture of how much it was. So this is the bag. Obviously, I took it out the Amazon packaging bag because it has my address. So yeah. Water Wave 150 density. Alright, so this is it out of the patch. I really hope it doesn't have that strong chemical smell because I really dislike that smell. Okay, it has the smell, but it's very faint. Like, you could barely smell it, and I really love that. So hairnet is around it. This, y'all, I had a whole trash bag up here, so I'm gonna take it out the net. And it's a 13x4. Hold on, it's stuck on one of the hooks. Don't want to mess nothing up. No, ma'am. Okay, so the hairnet on the floor. Okay, and this is the wig. Very cute, very cute. Inside, the adjustable straps. So, comb all this back. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Let me unhook these straps real quick and fit this wig to my head. Then we're gonna get started on the voiceover. Girl, the voiceover install. You already know how this go. Gotta have the music. messed up a little bit, but still it looked good because this side giving scalpiana. Okay, it's giving scalpiana. I had cut the lace off camera because it was getting too close, like, to my head. I can't do all that now. Can't get too close. Where's my I'm looking for my little foundation brush, but thing right here, I hope it's not on the other side of the room because I'm not. Oh, it's right here. So baby, we're gonna have to blend and melt this. Some of them probably cut right there, probably not. Yeah, Joxy, I gotta get rid of all this because once I reinstall this is gonna get cut. So right now I'm not worried about my lace because baby, I got a hat that could cover it up, and then I could just like switch it to this side for real if I want to cover it up. But I know this is like my guess. Anywho, that does not matter. Tell my mom I'm gonna come in my room while I'm asleep. Gonna ask me when I'm gonna start I can't even talk. She gonna ask me when I'm gonna install this wig. I told that woman later, and it is later. But yeah, I was expecting this. What I was waiting on, like I told y'all. The arrival time said 9 o'clock. It came at like 7 something. So it's now 10 o'clock. I've been doing this 7. Did I start? No, I started around like 8:30 is when I started. So roughly like 3 hours, which honestly isn't that bad for my very first wig. So I think I did good. I just think because this is glue. I know this is glue because it's tacky, and so I gotta get that up off of my skin before I decide to lay my edges. Honestly, I could just, y'all know what I'm trying to say. If it come up, I could. Oh, my man text me. God darn it. This is why I had my towel, so I could do it with my towel. I'm going for a good bit of alcohol in my towel. See? Oh, I just drenched my forehead. But yeah, I'm trying to get all this excess glue out. And if this starts to lift, I'm gonna alcohol it, reapply the glue, and do all that so the lace can look because right now it look a mess. It really do look a mess. It really do. It really do. So if it do come up, and it's coming up, great. So yeah, I'm gonna reapply this, y'all. So y'all, I am officially, that look a little creepy. I'm officially done. I would part my hair more, but I'm gonna go to bed and not sleep for a while, so the part finna get messed up anyway. So messy up here, but I look good. Okay, I definitely, if it's your first time doing a wig, so I definitely would start with a water wave because I do not know how to curl hair as of yet. So straight hair would not look good, or you could do body wave. I would definitely start with water wave or body wave for your very first install. If you know what you're doing, then you could mainly do them all. But yeah, I look so good. Come get your hair slayed by me. $100 installs, including the braid and wash down. Holla at your girl.